Very good, my friends. In today's video I'm going to translate one of the videos of my cousin channel, Cooking with the Grandma. Do you like to travel but you hate to pay extra for the baggage? Wait to check in the baggage, then wait when you arrive to the destination for the baggage claim. This is going to help you to travel only with your cabin suitcase. Or maybe your kid is a terrorist and every time he gets a t-shirt from the wardrobe, it's creating a real big mess. Or yourself, you don't find your favorite t-shirt and get crazy and do this with your wardrobe. Then today is your lucky day because I'm going to show you a method better than the Marie Condor method to fold in your t-shirts, shirts and everything you need in your luggage. Everything will be compact, small, organized and it will not fall apart. The left piece of clothes has been folded using the Marie Condor method. And look, it falls apart as soon as you grab it. But with this video technique that is called the Irene method, your clothes foldings will be indestructible, like you are seeing in this demonstration. Now we are going to see how you can do this folding. We stretch the t-shirt properly. We fold the bottom. We turn it around. Then we fold each side, making sure they meet in the center. Now we fold it in 3 parts. You can do it in more parts if the piece of cloth is bigger. Now we turn the piece of cloth around and we put it inside the folding we did at the beginning. We align properly the corners. And now look, it looks perfect. We have finished in few seconds. Now we are going to fold a pyjama. We proceed in the same way, but this time we put the trousers folded in the middle of the t-shirt. The full pyjama is going to be in one package, so things will not mess around. You will have always them together. If you want to see the video in Spanish, click now in the card that is here. Go to the channel Cocina con la Abuela and don't forget to subscribe. As you see, there is no secret. It's very useful. We can use this method for any piece of cloth, for t-shirts, shirts, trousers, underwear. In this example we are going to do an underwear. In this way you can organize your luggage very easily and you will not have the problem that you don't find the t-shirt that is in the bottom of the luggage and you don't see this t-shirt. You can organize the clothes then like it's done in the wardrobe. Here is an example how to fold the panties, and also we will see an example of how to fold the trousers. We have to stretch the trouser, then turn it around. We fold it from the waist back. We turn it around again. We bring closer the legs until they touch. We fold it to the middle and then the ankles. We fold it to the crease and we turn it around, covering it with the first folding. Now the adult t-shirt. We do the same procedure, but this time at the end we are going to fold it in 4 parts instead of only 3. I hope this video has been useful for you. Don't forget to see the original video in Cocina con la Abuela. Subscribe to her channel, subscribe to my channel, like the video, it has been useful for you. You can store then the clothes in perpendicular or parallel in the drawer. Thank you for watching and see you in next video.